In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a Microsoft to-do list. If you've got old lists cluttering up your workspace or you simply don't need a list anymore, removing it is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through each step slowly, explain what's happening on screen, and share a couple of tips so you feel confident before you click delete. First, make sure you've opened Microsoft To Do either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen. This area is called the sidebar. It's where all of your lists are displayed, such as your task lists, projects, or any custom lists you've created. If you don't see the sidebar, it may be collapsed. In that case, look for a small icon, often 3 horizontal lines, near the top left. Clicking that will expand the sidebar and show all of your lists. Next, find the specific list you want to remove. Take a moment here to double check that this is really the list you want to delete, especially if it contains tasks you may still need. Once you've confirmed, move your mouse over the name of that list in the sidebar. Now right-click on the name of the list you want to remove. Right-clicking will open a small context menu next to the list name, and this menu gives you different options related to that list. If you're using a trackpad, you may need to tap with 2 fingers or press the bottom right corner of the pad, depending on your device settings, to perform a right-click. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Delete List. Carefully click on Delete List. At this point, Microsoft To Do understands that you're trying to remove that list, but it doesn't do it immediately. Instead, it adds one more safeguard so you don't accidentally lose something important. After you click Delete List, a pop-up or confirmation dialog will appear on your screen. This message is there to make sure you really want to delete the list and all of the tasks inside it. Take a second to read the confirmation message. It will typically remind you that deleting the list is permanent and that you won't be able to undo it later. If you're absolutely sure this is the list you want to remove, go ahead and confirm the deletion by clicking the button that says Delete or Confirm, depending on your version. Once you click that, Microsoft To Do will remove the list from your sidebar along with all the tasks it contained. After the list disappears, glance over your remaining lists in the sidebar. This is a good time to quickly review and decide if there are any other lists you want to clean up in the same way. Just repeat the process, right-click the list name, choose Delete List, and confirm in the pop-up. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to delete a Microsoft To Do list by locating the list in the sidebar, right-clicking it, choosing the Delete option, and confirming the change. This simple cleanup can make your task manager feel more organized and easier to navigate.